Today's video in how do you do that is going to cover the usage of Resolve's automatic color corrector within the primary color correction window. Come down here and look at the primary color correction area on Resolve. You'll find two little crosses, one above the lift and one above the gain. So if I click on the one above the lift, and now all of a sudden it dislodges it, and so now when I move my cursor into the area, it is now showing me the red, green, and blue values along with a little black dot. So we just position this over, let's say, the black of the landing gear there. Click on that, and now it's balanced the lift area according to the level that we see here. And then if we come over to the next one, we go to the white, and we take this up to the white area here of the sky. And then we click on that, it sets up our gain. So now all we have to do is just tweak our levels a little bit, and just bring it a little bit out of, so it's not crushing so much. And then bring the clips down a little bit, and we're ready to go. For more tips and tricks like this, have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also have a look at the other information for our training possibilities. Thank you and have a great day.